For this very reason, make every effort to add to your faith goodness, and to goodness, knowledge, and to knowledge, self-control, and to self-control, perseverance, and to perseverance, godliness. Start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old they will not turn from it. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility value others above yourselves. Pride goes before destruction, a haughty spirit before a fall. Be alert and of sober mind. Your enemy the devil prowls around like a roaring lion looking for someone to devour. I am near you today, I will make my presence known in your life. I will bless those around you who are struggling with their faith. Believe me when I say that you are going to end the year happier, healthier and richer than before. Do not be afraid to dream big, because I am with you. Trust me and have faith in what I can do for you. Rejoice in who I am, rejoice in the love I have for you and be grateful for all the good in your life.